Hey everybody, what's going on? This is Jen catching you on DTWJLife. Hope you're all having a great day. And I'm doing this video today on New Year's Eve. Happy New Year's Eve. Yay! Because I wanted to kind of map out the year ahead, and I need your help. Okay, so let me just go ahead and pull up the list really quick. Okay, guys? The first question that I definitely need to address is, do you guys prefer me to... What types of readings do you guys prefer me to do is the question. Would you prefer monthly readings? Astrology season readings? You know how you have Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo, Virgo, etc. That's the astrological seasons that happen, right? Do you guys want me to do those readings? Or would you like me to do moon phase readings? Okay, that's 3 of them. 3 choices from the first question. General monthlies, astro season readings, or moon phase readings. Let me know which one you want me to do. I'm going to do those regularly. Absolutely, this entire year. I'm going to evaluate this channel every year. Such a good idea. Okay, also, another thing is I want to roll out meditation videos on Patreon. The link to my Patreon is in the description of this video. But what type of meditation techniques would you like me to touch on? What subject matters would you like me to touch on as far as that's concerned? They could either be psychological or spiritual. It could go either way. I'm good with both. Also, visualization, that sort of thing. I know that a lot of you really focus on attraction, so maybe I might add some of that type of work in there as well. Yes, I'm going to be charging for the meditation videos, but not very much. It's going to be relatively cheap. It's like throwing change at me. Like, either you're good or you suck. Either way, you can throw your change at me. Okay. Also, I would like to go live bi-weekly instead of weekly, because I've noticed that going on once a week or twice during the same week is really not good for me. A lot keeps coming up. I'm very busy outside of this, so outside of running this channel, so it's kind of hard for me to keep up with, and I hate to disappoint people. So I'd like to go live bi-weekly, but what day and time is most convenient? I will weigh in your votes. Always leave your comments on every single question here. I'm serious. Okay, yeah, right. I will wait to ask that one later. I've asked you 3 questions. The type of regular readings you would like, monthlies, astro seasons, and moon phases. Which one of those would you prefer out of the 3? Also, I'm going, well, it's not a question. Actually, it was, yeah. What type of meditation videos do you want to see? I could touch on anything psychological or spiritual. Yeah, absolutely. I'm going live bi-weekly. What day and time is most convenient? So yes, weigh in your answers now, and let's get this year started the right way, guys. Thank you so much for watching me. Much love and light to all of you, and I will see you on the next video. Take care. Blessed be.